Hello everyone, here we have a vintage Dominion box fan, 20-inch, model 2079, 1.7 amp fasco motor, uses 125 watts, 2 speeds, high and low. This one was an eBay find, I just received it today. I paid $60 for it including shipping. Now go ahead and fire it up. I did test it, so it does run. Start on high, work our way to low. Now for low. Moves a lot of air. And off. Watch the coast down time. Long coast down because the blades are heavy. And to flip it around, get the startup sounds. Seller says it's the original cord, but it's not the original plug. I'll replace that because it's missing the end cap, so the wires are exposed. But here's the startup sound. Now the startup sound on low. Doesn't really have a startup sound. It does need oil. I haven't done anything to this fan yet. This is as received, so it does need to be cleaned and oiled, which I'll probably do eventually when it gets warmer. But this is mostly just the test to make sure it works. And so far it does. Thank you so much for watching.